Today we are going to review the Rfiver tabletop TV stand with high adjustable TV leg. TV stand based with a cable management for most 37 to 86 90 inches flat or curved TVs. Holds up to 150 pounds. Wow, this is incredible. To be honest with you, I've lost the original stand from my TV, so I was wondering which one would I use. So I found this one online, so I wanted to check, and we're gonna see each other if you like it or not. But seems like it's very good and very strong. My TV is only 45 inches. If later I wanted to just buy a bigger TV like 86 or 90 inches, this can hold it up. What you get right out of the box is all this what you're seeing in here, and then you see the screws. But we're mostly gonna use the 1/2 inch and 1 inch. That's gonna be just 4 and 1 inch and several of 1/2 inch. This piece right here that has too many holes, this two has to go together. I think for this one is only one option, which is right here. Here is where the 1/2 inch screws come to play. Now we have the two side bars already together. Now we're gonna go with the stands. But the stands are this one here. Here is where the inch screw goes. When you open the box, it was just tell you right there. Now I don't have the box anymore, but that's why I'm guiding you. Here there is a hole, and on the bottom there is a hole. See this hole right here? And you see this hole right here? So it has to go like together, this hole and that hole, and you'll see why. Right here, leave it a little bit loose, so you're gonna have to add the supporter right there. That should be on the back. Once it's tight, this thing won't go nowhere. To be honest with you, I don't know, I couldn't find a screw for here. If you guys find it when you buy it, let me know. But it's okay, it won't bother me. That's why you gotta leave a little bit loose in order for you to screw this one in. Reason being is because it turns around together. Wow, that's new for me. Now we have the two bars right here plus the two stands. So this one right here, this is to add your speaker. You'll see in a minute. Before you put it on the TV, I recommend you to put the plastic down here. And if you have speaker, this is very nice for speaker. You know that already, but this one is for the bottom because see the hole the way it is, and this is from the top. You add it, screw it in. So these are the bars right here. I'm gonna put it one below from the top because I want it to be as high as it goes. One below will be fine, but you can adjust that. That's what they said. So now the fun part, we have the stand right here. You put it down here, you can add it right here, you can adjust it. If you see this hole here, you can put it all the way up here, or you can bring it down, all the way down. I just want to have it in the middle. So the screw that goes here is the 1/2 inch, right here and one here, and one each side, which is 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. You're gonna need about 20 bolts in total, including the TV. You can put your speaker bar down here. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at that. Look at the different. What's a different? Wow, look how high it is. And we left it a little bit high. Not very high. It would go all the way up there. It's very nice. I love it. I like it. And I will keep it forever. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like it and it was good help, subscribe to my channel, share the video, and if you like the product, so the product is all right under the description, so get it right there, and you help me, I'll help you. So thank you very much for watching the video.